This just in, OnlyFans is banning porn. The platform known as OnlyFans, where let's be honest, it's mostly men paying a monthly subscription for X-rated content posted by mostly women, they are getting rid of all sex workers as of October 1st. Now, way before this announcement from OnlyFans even went public, I made a video about OnlyFans and how all the women that are using that platform to make money should invest their money wisely, because that will not last forever. You don't believe that I made that video before the announcement of OnlyFans? Well, just have a look. But you can make that much money on a platform like OnlyFans. The problem is some of these young women have the delusion that it's going to last forever. You see? I said that shit. So today, we're going to talk about why OnlyFans dropped sex workers, what that means for its content creators, and the implications of all of this. So yes, as we have already established, OnlyFans is banishing sex workers. OnlyFans dropped porn stars faster than a high school cheerleader drops the captain of the football team once she realizes that goofy nerd who's always had a crush on her will one day become a tech billionaire. Now, the reason why OnlyFans is getting rid of pornography is because pornography isn't bankable. In other words, Visa and MasterCard, they will no longer process payments on the OnlyFans platform so long as sex work is part of their content. Now, the reason for this is because Visa and MasterCard don't want to be implicated if someone is paying for child pornography. It is not that difficult to get a fake ID.
All right, that's good. It's hard to trace, I guess. Wait, you changed your name to McLovin?
And if you have a 17-year-old girl who gets a fake ID that says she's 18, and then all of a sudden she's posting X-rated content on a platform like OnlyFans, my friends, that is child pornography, and Visa and MasterCard don't want to have people paying for that. So what does this mean for the women, or men too, I guess, that are posting X-rated content on OnlyFans and are making crazy amounts of money right now, and all of that revenue is going to come to a screeching halt? Well, first of all, I hope you invested it like I told you to back in April. But then again, if you make a living by posting photos of your butthole, then you're probably not too bright anyway. The good news is now that porn is actually banished from OnlyFans, all of those restaurants who've been struggling to open back up, they'll finally have servers again. The crazy thing is, some of the sex workers on OnlyFans were making up to about $100,000 per month. And now they're going to go back to doing whatever it is they were doing before, which I can imagine is not going to be that lucrative. So for the people that were making all their money by selling their bodies on OnlyFans, now that income source is going away, so you guys are going to have to find a different means of making money. Now, for any sex worker who's watching this video, you may think that I'm being a total asshole, but I assure you, I am not an asshole, because if I were, there'd be a video of me on OnlyFans.
How dare you!
But that's pretty much it for this video, and I will see you guys at the next one. Peace.